Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you clove is a versatile spice that offers a range of health benefits. Some of the key benefits of clove include. Before I am starting please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here's some points. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Clove contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. 2. Pain relief. Clove has analgesic properties, which means it can help to relieve pain. It is commonly used for toothaches, as it can provide temporary relief from tooth pain and gum inflammation. 3. Antimicrobial effects. Clove has potent antimicrobial properties, making it effective against various types of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It can be used to treat infections and prevent their spread. 4. Digestive aid. Clove can help to improve digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. It can also help to relieve symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and flatulence. 5. Respiratory health. Clove has expectorant properties, which means it can help to loosen mucus and phlegm, making it easier to expel. It can be beneficial for respiratory conditions like coughs, colds, and bronchitis. 6. Oral health. Clove is commonly used in dental care due to its antimicrobial and analgesic properties. It can help to prevent tooth decay, reduce gum inflammation, and freshen breath. 7. Blood sugar control. Clove may help to regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. It can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 8. Immune system support. Clove is rich in antioxidants, which can help to strengthen the immune system and protect against oxidative stress. This can promote overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Important to note that while clove offers numerous health benefits, it should be used in moderation and not as a substitute for medical treatment. If you have any specific health concerns, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna and take care yourself and also care yours near to your surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks, bye. See you again, love you all.